BioShoppe is a wellness store created for BioNexus Status company to promote and market their product. When we entered the commercialization phase of the National Biotechnology Policy, we realized many BioNexus Status company produce good consumer product in the area of wellness. However, they had difficulty in getting their products to the market, largely due to the products are still new, and also due to the high cost involved in getting their products into established pharmacies. We believe BioShoppe will help to increase the awareness of local bio-based products, and it also serves as the incubator for entrepreneurship. Bioeconomy Corporation will conduct programs related to entrepreneurship, like enhance the management skill of the management of BioNexus Status company itself, give them exposure on regulatory requirements, and also exposure on branding and packaging. BioShoppe product has its own competitive advantage. Most of the products are produced out of the R&D initiative through collaboration with research institute and universities. As at today, we do have product covering the areas of wellness, personal care, health supplement, food supplement. We also have aromatherapy related products.
Furley Bioextracts in the beginning, then Furley was a trading house in ingredients, and we upgraded ourselves to have a food manufacturing facility, and it's about 5 years or 6 years, which is a fully export ready premise, and we did a lot of work on mangosteen. One of the key challenges for us being a SME in Malaysia was trying to actually get our products placed in pharmacies, for example, and of course it posed its own challenges. There's a lot of financing that comes into play and a lot of buy-in, and we managed to overcome those hurdles with some clever marketing strategies and some pretty good leveraging tactics by getting our products placed in certain areas. We found the Bioeconomy Corporation, or then Biotech Corp, through the website, and how they have helped us is the certification of being a government agency where there is accreditation and a bit of auditing, and that's ensured that our company has followed through good international accounting practices, and having a bit more government support in terms of acknowledgement does help on the international circuit. The other things they've helped us with is, of course, in that time they were very, very aggressive in the way they were promoting biotechnology in Malaysia, and it definitely did help that it was government, and it was the government support there in terms of policy and in terms of promotion. So we are so fortunate to be able to travel worldwide on the exhibitions, which really did help and open a lot of export leads for us under the biotech banner then. We are quite fortunate. The work paid off. The results are remarkable, and people are seeing great results. We are one of the only companies in the world that make this proprietary mangosteen extract, which can kill antibiotic-resistant bacteria. And one of the more interesting things is it has a very potent anti-inflammation effect, which is very unusual. And when we compare against a generic drug, it's more effective. We went to Silicon Valley to pitch for the Spray 8, our natural wound care product, and I'm happy to say we have a KKM approval. It's an MAL registered product now for wound care. And Furley itself is now more or less creating our own ingredients, investing in our own research with private and public institutes. And as we move forward, you can see more of our products rolling out. The mangosteen juice was the first product that we came up with. It's the only product on the market now which has been standardized for antioxidants. and is the most price competitive in terms of antioxidant value. So right now we're the market leader for mangosteen juice in Malaysia, and I'm quite happy to see our products, distributed nationwide. And by having this distributed nationwide, we managed to get our other products pushed in, the more unique ones. So the more unique ones, such as the Spray 8, which is a wound care product for not just diabetic wounds, but also for cuts and grazes, and it's a remarkable product which actually uses the mangosteen extract to kill antibiotic-resistant bacteria, because it doesn't have any alcohol or steroids and whatnot. It's all based on the extract itself. But we are looking to further evolve this by doing some more clinical studies. But it's moving on its own progression. And from there we moved on to the Fem Mist, which is also using the mangosteen extract. This product is actually very unique. It's designed to help prevent a UTI and kill Candida, and help reduce the chance of urinary tract infection. We also realized that by targeting harmful bacteria and lowering the pH slightly, encouraging good bacteria to grow, it actually helps to reduce odor. We've moved so far from what we were before as a company. Since last year, we're now distributed nationwide from Malaysia. We're sold in US as well through Amazon, UK through Amazon, China through Amazon. We've got our products registered, approved. Ostania mangosteen juice is approved for sale in China, as well as the Butane Fem Mist, which just was approved. In terms of market exposure and whatnot, in Malaysia we've been quite well covered by a lot of major news press, and we launched a Furley Partner Program, which is creating more micro entrepreneurs using our existing platform. And I think that's really exciting. We already have about 25 people signed up for it, and I think that will be the new way to sell and market products in Malaysia, where people will be not just users but entrepreneurs in their own right using our products. So we've moved a bit further from where we are today. So I'd say we're moving very far. We have a lot of new products in hand, and a lot of new MAL registered products for arteriosclerosis, for osteoporosis, but I'm looking to push those products next year. In the next 5 years, there's so many things we need to accomplish. The first few is to actually get stronger presence within the Southeast Asian region, which is what we're doing. We're in Vietnam, working on Philippines, Indonesia, and Thailand, and we hope to penetrate those markets successfully. I think BioShoppe is a good place to have products. It's especially for some of the SMEs who are struggling to break through the first hurdle. It's always good to have an external outlet, having it there and using that as a negotiation tool with pharmacies or with other distributors. So it's always good to have more distribution.